Ibotta receipt scanning works best when you scan receipts soon after shopping, because offers and purchase details need to match your account activity. By the end, you'll know when to scan Ibotta receipts, what steps to follow, and how to avoid common receipt problems. The best time to scan an Ibotta receipt is right after your purchase. Scanning immediately helps you remember which items you bought, and makes it easier to match your receipt with available offers. Start by opening the Ibotta app before shopping. Check the available cashback offers and activate any offers you plan to use. This step matters because your receipt needs to match eligible offers connected to your account. After shopping, open Ibotta and use the receipt scanning feature. Make sure the receipt image is clear before submitting it. A blurry photo, missing information, or unreadable details can prevent the app from correctly processing the receipt. Place the receipt on a flat surface and capture the entire receipt in the scan. Make sure the store name, date, and purchased items are visible. If the app asks for additional information, complete the requested steps before submitting. Keep your physical receipt until your cashback is confirmed. Having the original receipt can help if you need to check purchase details or contact support about a problem. Avoid waiting too long before scanning. A delayed scan can make it harder to remember eligible purchases and may create problems if an offer has specific requirements. You should also check the Ibotta app regularly for new offers before your shopping trips. Available offers can change, so reviewing the app before buying helps you choose purchases that qualify for cashback. If a receipt does not scan correctly, try taking a new photo with better lighting and a clearer view of the details. If the issue continues, use Ibotta's support options and provide the receipt information they request. The main steps are simple. Check offers before shopping, scan receipts soon after buying, take a clear photo, and keep your receipt until the reward is confirmed. Open Ibotta before your next shopping trip and check your available offers before making a purchase. Subscribe for more Ibotta guides, cashback app fixes, and reward app tutorials. And like the video if this helped you understand the best time to scan receipts.